Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your application number, the email you used, and a government ID. Once that's together, open the state notary portal and choose the check status option. Make sure to log in with the account tied to the application. If you can't, use the recovery link to reset the password. This initial login establishes your identity and pulls up the specific record, so be precise with numbers and match names exactly to avoid delays. Once logged in, locate your application line in the dashboard and read the status label or code. Click to expand details. There are usually sections for payment confirmation, background check results, and document review notes. Pay special attention to any pending items. Missing fees or unmatched ID images will pause processing. Also note the last processing timestamp and an estimated time frame. If an action is required, follow the on-screen steps immediately. So when the status shows approval, download your notary commission, save a copy, and arrange any physical seal materials required by your state. If the status is denial or still pending, read the rejection reason and upload corrected documents right away. Resubmission usually restarts the queue. If something looks incorrect, contact support with your application number and a screenshot. Ask for a case review. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different browser before calling support, because display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.